have you had fun? Okay, in this occasion I want to tell you about myself. My name is Muhammad Haidar Sadat. You can call me Haidar. I'm from Larangan Village. I was born in Pamekasan. Then of August 2012. I'm 13 years old. I'm student at 7th grade junior high school. My hobby is playing football. My favorite subject is math. My favorite food is fried rice. My favorite drink is chocolate. My favorite song is black and white. My favorite color is red. My favorite movie is Marvel. My father is businessman and my mother is teacher. I have one brother and one older sister. My ambition is policeman. I think much. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Audio Jungle.